In this video, we will show you how to use Webyx correctly with the standard Kadence theme. First of all, you need to install and activate the Kadence theme. Then you have to customize the header, setting it to a sticky type and enabling it on top row and main row both on desktop and mobile. After these first steps, remember to add the custom CSS rule as shown in the video. Now it's time to set the template right. Go to your page. In this case, we are using a previously created page for the occasion called Kadence Theme. As you can see, it is formed by two sections with 2 slides each. In the General Template option, leave the default template. In Webyx block, in the Template Design, enable Custom Template option and write the template file name as \page.php. Update the page. Show page preview. Done. Now you can use Webyx with your Kadence theme.